where was the stage, or I mean, how big or how busy were you when you made the move to hire an associate, which is a big ticket item to have on the team?
I'm a mom, and I had my child just when I opened my firm. That year was like a big
Wow.
year. Just before is when I had a baby, and when I opened my firm. So I had like two kids at the same time, my law office and my baby. By the time she was like, I think, 2 or 3, I realized there's only so much that I can do myself. I need help. So I hired an associate and I paid an associate, even sometimes when I didn't pay myself,
Yeah.
because I invested in the future of my firm. I invested in motherhood because I needed time to be with
Yeah.
my kids sometimes and take her to things. And I needed another, a responsible person in the office who could make decisions if I'm out of the office, if I'm traveling, if there's an urgent court hearing scheduled. So that was like around, I would say, 3 years after I opened my own office is when I hired my first associate.
Wonderful. What does the team look like now?
Now I have 3 full-time associates. I have like a really good senior paralegal who's, like if I didn't know, I would think she's an attorney. The only thing is
Yeah.
she doesn't go to court. Really knowledgeable. She works from Texas with us remotely.
Mhm.
And then we have maybe like 6 full-time paralegals, 4 people who do reception work slash sales,
Mhm.
one like manager, and she does payroll and paying bills, and like she helps me with a lot of our organizational stuff. And she has one assistant who like does retainers and sends out bills and stuff like
Yeah.
that. And we have a couple of other people who work part time remotely for us doing different things.